Hello there and welcome. Thanks for the follow. Do you use TikFinity? A lot of people do, and they use it for all the funny memes and noises and sounds that they have. What they don't know maybe is that you can actually put your own sounds in if it's done the right way. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Simple, it's easy, and more importantly, there's parts that are built in on Windows. So you've got it already if you're using a PC. Let's get started. Click on your search bar and type in simple and easy sound recorder, and you'll come up with this that's built in on your Windows. Once you first open the settings, it will ask you to associate your microphone to sound recording. Okay, that way you're using your mic to make your little statements that you want to use as a audio file in TikFinity. Simple and easy to use. All you do is just click the record button, and let's say you want to introduce something really funny for a follow. Let's do it. Hello there and welcome. Thanks for the follow. And that's it. And if you play it back, hello there and welcome. Thanks for the follow. That's pretty straightforward. But what people don't know is where it goes. All right. So in Windows, all you do is you click on the dot at the top right hand corner. Okay. You can't see it because of my webcam. But the three dots, top right hand corner, and it will come up, show in folder. And this little window will come up, and there it is. So what you can see is it's in whatever your username is, right? But it's in documents. So if you click into documents, sound recording, there it is. And it's recorded as a WAV file. Now that's just what you need for TikFinity. Okay. So let's go to TikFinity. So here we have TikFinity, and you'll know the taskbar down the side, like we all do if you use it. But if you click on sounds, now you can create a sound, okay? But if you've already got sounds there, once you've selected one, okay? For instance, let's take my follow button, okay? Here it is. So I select sound here, and it'll come up a menu. Now you can put any of the TikFinity sounds that you want. I can play them, okay? Thanks for the follow, funny noises, funny sounds, usual phone sounds, all the usual stuff. Or you can upload a sound. As you can see, I've got quite a few in my separate folder, which I've created. But if you go to Documents, Sound Recordings, there's the one we've just created. Okay, so let's go back to this. We want to do one for follow. Okay, so we select sound, we upload sound. We go to our documents, sound recordings, and we select the sound we've just created with the recordings app. Okay, and we open, and there you go, it's saved. So when we play the follow test, hello there and welcome. Thanks for the follow. And that's how easy it is in TikFinity. So just something else I need to mention is when you actually go into settings, right, recording format, you must select wave lossless. Okay. Also, audio quality. In audio quality, always select the best. Highest quality, it is a little bit larger, but it's a PC and it's a wave file. So it's always pretty short anyway, especially for TikFinity, because you're only after little snippets of sound. So there we have it. Pretty simple, straightforward, and you can make as many silly voices, sounds that you want to put in to your TikFinity setup. You can make as many funny sounds or use as much music clips as you like, providing you don't break copyright, to use in TikFinity. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to give a like, and don't forget to pass it on, share it out, let your friends know, okay, how to do it, because it'll help you and you'll have more fun. So be adventurous, be exciting, and I hope you enjoy it.